Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video for you guys, I'm actually going to be reviewing the Shayla x ColourPop collection, or ColourPop x Shayla. So if you guys are interested in seeing this collection, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so me personally, let me go ahead and say this. I was kind of stoked about this. I'm not going to lie. Shayla is one of those people that I tend to go to learn more about makeup for my particular skin tone, my particular skin type. Me and her have a very similar tone and skin. So whenever she says something, I'm like, okay, Shayla approved. I'm going to get it. Jackie Anna is also another one. Jackie Anna is also another one that I go to when it comes to makeup, because I think they do a really good job at reviewing products and so forth. So when I heard that Shayla was going to be doing a collection with ColourPop Cosmetics, of course I was hoping that it was going to be an affordable collection that I could actually share with you guys. But I'm very happy to say, you guys, I am absolutely in love with the items that I have picked up. I have everything on my face today from the collection, so we're going to go ahead and talk about that. I'm going to give you swatches, so this is going to be a little bit of a longer video, so definitely make sure you get something to drink or a snack. Go ahead now, and I'll give you a second. Go ahead and pause. Okay, so let's get started. So like I said, I went out and they had a bundle set, which I think was a really great idea. I think that is a great way to get people more engaged in collections and palettes and so forth. So like I said, you guys, when I saw that you get the whole collection, I want to say for maybe 56 bucks, it was no question your girl was going to pick up the whole collection. And so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys and reviewing for you today. Also, if you haven't, I have different looks on my Instagram page, so definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have not done so already, so you can just see everything that I'm uploading as well. So this is the palette. It is the Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop Cosmetics. You guys, the packaging is just so beautiful. It's kind of a rose gold black, and then it has the paint splotch. The paint drips on it. And what I do like about it, she has the names on the back of the palette. She also has the names on the palette. This is what it looks like. So very pretty, very Shayla. And then it's also on the back of here. So not one, not two, but you guys, she actually has the names in 3 places for you. So they are written underneath the shadows as well. This palette, I have to say, you guys, it also comes with a mirror. Yeah, that's right, a mirror. So it is a nice size mirror. I do have the protective cover on the mirror, but it does also come with the mirror. And you guys, the shades in this palette are beautiful. This is definitely a palette that I'm going to take with me out of town. It's just one of those really versatile palettes, really colorful. And it's beautiful. And you even have your transition colors. So I'm going to swatch all the colors for you. I'm going to swatch up my arm here and let you see them. I'm going to swatch everything. I have most of the shades, a couple of the shades on my eye right now. I actually did Titus on the, I kind of tried to make a halo look. So I do have like Titus on both of the corners of my eye. And then I have Spill the Tea in the center. And then I blended it out with Revenge and Thick. So I'm just going to go through, you guys. I'm going to just show you the colors. So the first one is Unbothered here that I'm going to swatch for you guys. Really, really pretty. Guys, the pigmentation of these shadows, this one is TF. Look at that. The pigmentation, you guys, is just beautiful. This one is Titus. This one she named after her doggy that passed away. Such beautiful colors. It's kind of like a bluish gray kind of color. The next one is Stallion that I'm going to swatch underneath that. Here is Spill the Tea. Look at that. Just really beautiful colors. If you hear my husband downstairs, he's playing some kind of game, so that's what he's doing. This one is IE. So that's IE. The next one is 14. Look at that. The next one is Strut and Slay. You guys, like, are you seeing the colors on these? The next one I have is Culture, which is a matte. Then you have Sassy, which is like a dual chrome color. Then we have the color September. Then we have three matte shades after that. So one of them is Revenge, which is more like a reddish orangey color. Then you have Thick, which is a orange color, more like of a burnt kind of orange. Like a true orange, I guess. And then you have Played Out, which is like that dark brown there. And then the last shade we have in here is called Shade, which is kind of more of a sparkly plum color. So those are the swatches. As you guys can see, very, very, very pigmented shadows. She did a wonderful job, you guys. In my personal opinion on this, the shadows are nice and creamy. They kind of remind me of the Lorac Pro. If you guys have ever used that, or if you know anything about the Lorac Pro, then you know that those shades are really buttery and really creamy. I get the same exact feel when I use these from this particular palette. And it does have that magnetic closure. It's a pretty nice weighted palette, you guys. So this is something that is definitely going to be travel friendly, and you can definitely travel with it. The next thing that came in the collection were the 3 lipsticks. I'm going to show you those next. So the first color that I have that I'm going to show you is called Quickie. This is the one that I have been wearing out. I do have this on today, but my liner just made it appear a little bit darker. So this is what the Quickie lipstick looks like. Down here, it's a really pretty kind of nudie pink. So that's what that one looks like. The next shade that I'm going to show you is Come On Sis, which is also a very pretty, this one is more of a mauve pink color. So that's what Come On Sis looks like. And then last but not least is Ooh. And I do believe this one is more of an orangey kind of color. Yeah, so it's an orangey nude kind of color here that I'm going to put down there. So that is Ooh. So those are those colors. So that is your 3 lip colors. Then the collection also had 2 highlighters, and it also had a lip gloss. So since we're already on the lips, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the lip gloss for you guys. Now this was called Neat Freak, you guys. This gloss is so beautiful. It has like that kind of iridescent sparkles in it. It is just a beautiful gloss in my personal opinion. It does come with a doe foot applicator for applying. But guys, look at that. It's just so pretty, you guys. I don't know if you can really even see it, but it does have that little bit of a sparkle in it. But guys, it is just so pretty. It's not really thick. It's just one of those that gives you just a nice sheer gloss. It's really nice. It's really kind of sheer, and you can just wear it. It really kind of transforms any lipstick that you put on with it, I think, because of the shimmers and so forth that it has in the palette. So that is the lip gloss. Again, very kind of nudie gloss there. Also, let me go back to the lipsticks. She put them in the rose gold packaging. This is really nice packaging, you guys, for lipsticks. I like this packaging even better than the packaging for the MAC Cosmetics, because it's really thicker. It's kind of heavier. So to me, when you do something like that, I just feel like it's more expensive. Maybe that's just me, but I definitely like the packaging of the lipsticks as well. So now moving on along, we have her highlights, and she actually came out with 2 of those in the collection. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is Boomin', and I do have both of them on today. The Boomin', I do believe, is more of that gold type of highlight, so I'm just going to kind of swatch it right here for you guys. But it gives just a nice golden color. You probably can't even see it. Let me do a better swatch. Apply just a little bit in the cap here. So we'll just go right underneath here. So that is what Booming looks like. Again, this is more like that lighter gold tone. It kind of just really blends with the skin a little bit. You guys can probably see it on my face up in this area is where I actually applied it, and over here. But it is just a really pretty color. It's just a nice kind of a subtle highlight for my skin tone. And then the next one that she came out with is called Pose, and this is another really beautiful highlight. Now Pose is more of a browner tint, or orangey kind of corally color, I want to say. But it's also another just very pretty, I'm gonna put this one right here, kind of a highlight that is just beautiful. Might not be the best swatch area right there, but you guys kind of get the point as to where. Maybe if I swatch it somewhere, let's see, right in here, you guys can kind of see it. So yeah, so it's kind of like up here. I really can't give you guys a good view of it, but guys, it is absolutely a beautiful highlight. Maybe if I swatch it on the other hand, you guys can kind of see it. So that's what it looks like swatched on the other hand there. And then I'll go back and I'll also swatch the Booming for you again, just so you guys can kind of get a better idea of the two colors. So this one is Booming. It's the yellow one here with the yellow in it. And then Pose is the more of the brownie color. So that's pretty much all I got from the collection, you guys. The highlighters, the colors, and everything from this collection are absolutely beautiful. I have been using this palette non-stop since I got it, you guys. I just love all the products that they came with. The shadows or the highlights, whatever, come in nice packaging. I do wish that they had the sifter had a closure on it that you could close it with. I do wish that it had that on there, so you just wouldn't be wasting product when you're traveling. But I'm really not gonna downplay her because of that, because guys, these products are amazing. I'm very, very, very satisfied with everything that I got in this collection. It is just a beautiful collection. All the packaging I think was nice. Here's the box for the gloss. All of it was just really, really pretty. I feel like she took a lot of time and just really went in on this collection and just really gave it her all. So congratulations, MakeupShayla. I think you did a wonderful job. Wonderful, wonderful job with this entire collection. Everything in this collection is beautiful, just like you are, and I am very happy, very, very happy with everything that I purchased in this collection. And if you happen to do another collab, I believe I will definitely purchase again. Thank you guys. Woo. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out if you haven't done so already. And also don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I also have a Facebook. I just haven't included that yet because I go to Facebook like far and in between, you guys, so don't hold me to that. Don't judge me on that. But hopefully I'll also get into a routine with these videos here pretty soon as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this particular video, and I will see you guys in the very next one. Bye.